of working in Dubai, Singapore, Europe, Australia, or on a luxury cruise ship? Have you ever wondered why some hospitality professionals get international opportunities while others remain stuck in the same role for years? Here's the truth. Most people think getting a hospitality job abroad is all about luck, contacts, or having years of experience. It's not. In fact, many international employers are actively looking for hospitality professionals who have the right skills, attitude, and career mindset. In this video, I'll show you 10 practical steps you can follow to increase your chances of landing a hospitality job abroad in 2026. Make sure you stay till the end because I'll share the biggest mistake that causes many talented hospitality professionals to get rejected before they even receive an interview. Hi, I am Amay Kumar Deshpande. I help ambitious hospitality students, freshers, associates, supervisors, and team leaders accelerate their careers through leadership development, communication skills, and strategic career growth. If your goal is to build an international hospitality career, this video is for you. Let's get started. Step number one, decide where you want to work. One of the biggest mistakes people make is applying everywhere. Instead, choose one target market first. Do not spread yourself thin. You can choose any market like UAE, Singapore, Germany, Australia, cruise industry. Every market has different set of expectations. However, your focus will create clarity. Step number 2. Understand what employers are looking for. International employers don't hire based on dreams. They hire based on value. Ask yourself, can you handle guests professionally? Can you communicate confidently? Can you work in multicultural teams? Can you solve problems? Do you have the necessary professional skills that the employer is looking for? These skills often matter more than experience. Step 3. Build relevant hospitality experience. Experience does not have to be perfect. Hotels internationally value exposure to front office, F&B service, housekeeping, guest relations, customer service, and culinary skills. Even internships can strengthen your profile. Step 4. Improve your communication skills. This is where many candidates lose opportunities. You may be excellent at your job, but if you struggle during interviews, employers may choose someone else. Focus on spoken English, guest communication, professional confidence, interview skills. Communication creates opportunity. Step number 5. Create an international standard resume. Most hospitality resumes focus on duties. International employers want achievements. So instead of writing worked at front desk, write 100 plus guest interactions daily while maintaining high guest satisfaction ratings. Results matter, outcomes matter, and not what you did. Step number 6. Build leadership skills early. Future managers get international opportunities faster. Start demonstrating leadership before you receive a title. For example, training new employees, solving guest issues, taking ownership, supporting your team. Leadership attracts opportunity. Step 7. Develop industry certifications. Certifications show initiative. Consider learning things like hospitality operations, guest service excellence, food safety, communication skills, leadership development. The stronger your profile, the more competitive you become. Step 8. Build your professional network. Many international opportunities are never publicly advertised. They come to you through people that you know, people that you have worked with. Connect with hospitality recruiters, hotel managers, alumni, industry professionals, your batchmates even. Your network often opens doors your resume cannot. And do not be shy to ask for a reference. Do not be shy to let your network know that you are actually looking out for a job or you're looking for a change. Step 9. Prepare your international interviews. Practice answering questions such as tell me about yourself, describe a difficult guest situation, why do you want to work abroad, why do you want to work with us. Confidence comes from preparation, and preparation creates success. Step 10. Apply strategically, not emotionally. Don't send 100 random applications. Research employers. Customize your application based on the job description that is provided to you. Follow up professionally. Focus on quality over quantity. That's what successful candidates do. Now, I had promised you that I will share the biggest mistake that people make, and here it is: applying before you are ready. Many people spend months applying, very few spend months preparing. The candidates who get selected are usually the ones who invest in communication skills, leadership skills, professional branding, and interview preparation before they apply. Preparation always beats desperation. As they always say in the industry, measure twice, cut once. So, if you remember only one thing from this video, remember this: international hospitality careers are not reserved for the lucky few. They belong to professionals who prepare intentionally. Choose your market, build your skills, strengthen your communication, develop leadership, position yourself as a future leader, and opportunities will follow. If you're serious about building an international hospitality career, I have created a free hospitality career development webinar. In this webinar, you will learn how to accelerate promotions, how to increase your earning potential, how to build leadership skills, how to prepare for international opportunities, the exact roadmap successful hospitality professionals use to grow faster. Comment global below or check the registration link in the description. If you found this video valuable, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who dreams of working abroad. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.